Mabuhay. Does that sound okay? Is that okay? So Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Just letting you all know, at iExperts, we've been helping the Filipino community for nearly 15 years. We've helped hundreds and hundreds of first-home buyers to buy their first home. And particularly, we're having conversations now with a lot of those first-home buyers, whether they sell that and buy a new owner-occupied home, or whether they keep it as an investment and then buy another owner-occupied home. So the Filipino community that we've helped out 10 years ago, they're the conversations that we're having with them today. In particular, a lot of those clients as well are reaching out to us to say, should we lock in our rate, maybe fixed rate, because they're a little bit worried about the rates going up. They're conversations that we're having every day with our Filipino clients. So don't just think that we help you initially to buy your first home. We will continue to engage with you, have conversations, and help you make the right decisions through life. One other little story is we're helping clients to get to retirement. So let's say we help you today to buy your first home, but in 30 years' time, I'm not joking, we can definitely make sure you have a sizable retirement amount through different strategies, whether it's property, superannuation, self-managed super funds. There's a lot of ways to build wealth, contributing extra into your super, that by the time you retire and work hard, you'll have $3 million plus in your retirement fund. Now, the sooner you start that journey and buy your first home, it then goes through stages of life. I'm not kidding you, telling you to buy one now and buy an investment straight away and keep building. That's not it. There's stress and pressure to trying to make money. The right stage of life, whether it's the beginning of having a family and children, it's important to create memories at that stage of life. But when they're older and they're in high school, your lifestyle changes and you have more affordable income, and then you can look at investing. And over a short period of time, if you have a lot of equity, which you'll have later, a good size super and other strategies over a 30 to 35 year period, I'm not kidding, we can definitely make a difference to you. And our job is to help you through 30, 35 years longer of life to help you make those decisions. So I'm here today because I love the Filipino community, and best of luck today. May the best team win.
Thank you very much, Brett. Thank you for your support. So, yep, guarantee yan. So, bad combination. So, if you love renting houses, don't go with these people because they will close the deal in 3 months and under. If you love renting. So next, Care. Sherman.
Hi guys, I'll make it short. Thank you for having me. On behalf of John, Beth, and myself for Care Real Estate, and also Rebecca with Care Property Management. Just want to congratulate Corinda Fishing Club again for our last successful season, and best of wishes for the new season. And may the best team win. So, you know, Care's been supporting the community, the Filipino community for a number of years now, and we are very grateful for all of you. So thank you, and we wish everyone the best of luck. Thank you again.
Okay. So, thank you, Sherman. So, we'll have our ceremonial jump ball, and we would like to invite Brett again to just take some photos.
Okay, first time. What things, please?
Photo shoot and jump ball.
Okay, just for formality. Okay. So, first time, both teams, please.
First five, clutch, and first
Into the
five.
court.
Pa-picture lang, ayos lang naman, ayusin.
Okay, just for formality.
Kuya Bob? Yeah. Photo op lang na jump ball with Brett. Photo op lang si Brett.
O sige, all players, please. For a photo shoot. Ayan. Show your big smile. Yan. Okay, once again, we thank our sponsors. Okay. Those are our sponsors, My Expert Care and Prospero Fund. Thank you for your support. We appreciate it. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay. First five both teams. Now, first five for everything. Okay.
Oh, time?
All right.
Again?
Oh, yes. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm requesting players, behave up your best. While we do have visitors, once they're gone, you can do whatever you want. No, just joking. Okay. Oo nga pala. No. O, yung may mga hikaw. Range,
Sa amin dapat yun.
linas, tanggal.
Mga higaw po, pitas.
Binibigay sa amin yun. Magaling maglaro. Sobra na kami kasi.
Oo, sige.
Kung sasali pa sa
Ayan.
amin yan, 14 na kami.
Verse 5. Number 7, 79, 33, and 18 for Prospero. For Clutch, 10, 5, 13, and number 12. Okay, all good. Good to go.
There you go. There you go.
The boy, wala. Chris. Kaya si Chris, inaalas ni The Boy. Pinasa kay Ringo. Drive, takes, ayun. Pinasa. Raymond. Wala. Magigising pa lang. So, pass break. Kay Jack. Jack. Wala. Raymond pa rin. Ayun, kay The Boy. The Boy, Prince. Oh. Back to Jack. Jack. To Eros. Eros goes up. Wala. Rebound, Roy. Rebound. Eros. Dapat to Zero. Jack. Dribbling the ball. Yan. Ang score natin 5-0. Number 5, right. Ooh, close. But that, no cigar. Ayan, si Rico. Rico. Whoa! Kick.
Awesome play, boys.
Inbound, number 12 to number 5. Si Red. Yun, Eros. Eros, pass. Wow. Ayan na si The Boy. The Boy. Wala ka rin. Ano ka ba, The Boy? Kala ka nag-practice ka kanina. Naubos. Ayan si Brian. Brian, to Raymond na deflected lahat. Tsak pala, tsak. Raymond, inbound to Brian, back to Raymond, for 3. Ayun na. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, bantayan niya. Pero pag kalaban namin, hindi makakapuha mo sa akin yan. Ayan na. Si Jack. Inside pass na ni Brian. Ayun. Oh. Good goal, Red. Good goal. Raymond to Chris. To Brian. Brian. To Rico. Rico, underneath. Wala. Understand, Chris. Ayaw nakuha ni number 12. Kailan sa pitcha. Ayan na si The Boy. After 3 tries, finally, 2 points. Grace. Last touch si Jack. Prospero ball. Brian for 3. Ayan na, pass. Lays up. 2 points. Nice shot. Nice pass. Ayan. Lopez. Kaya nagpapasahan. Nakita si Brian. Balik kay Lopez. Lopez. Lopez fires. Oh! Hindi man lang tumama. Lopez. Ayun na si Raymond na naman. Wala. Nakuha na niya. Wala ka rin. Nakuha niya. Number 17. First foul, Brian. First team foul ng line. Red to Jack for 3. Wow. Nice shot, Jack. Number 14, 3 points. Grace to Ringo. Ringo. Nice. Rebound number 12. Si Dian. Ayun, Keret. Back to Dian. Ayun, pinasa sa labas. Jack. Keret. Red, get away. Nasa ilalim. Ayun, balik ke Dian. Dian. To another good goal. Red. Maganda gising ni Kalbo. Traveling again. Okay, Kawoy out. 22 JR in. Ayan na. Oh, isa pa ulit. Second, number 21. Ayan, si Chris. Hanap nagpapasahan. Kawoy, back to Chris. Chris for 3. Wow! Chris, 3 points. Napakalinis ng tirang yun ah. Eros. Drive. Wala. On the way up. Follows up. Using the board for 2. Eros, 2 points. Ayan si Chris. Si Brian. Brian. Tatapit. Agaw. Ayan na. JR. JR. Dian. JR. Unbelievable. What a goal. Dian 2 points. Ayan. Number back to Eros. Eros. To number 21. Another goal. Number 7. Number 7.
Go on, go. Go.
Ring goal. First foul.
Go on, go.
Arm contact.
Go on, go. Go on, go.
First shot again. Missed. Second shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound Joy. Pass to Ringo. Ringo. Drives. Wala. Rebound kaya to Jack. Jack. Chris. Rebound Ryan to Raymond. To Chris. Chris. Pass to Ringo. Ringo missed again. Rebound Jaya. Jaya. Dribbling the ball. Prosperous goal. Last touch Real. Bryant. Oh. Number 14, blocking foul. First foul, Chuck. Okay, inbound record. To Bryant, back to Ringo. Ringo pulls up. Wala pa rin, rebound, Royce. Royce fouls up. Missed that foul, number 21, Ken.
Hindi sila makapunta sa ilalim.
First foul, Ken.
May-intimidate eh, no? Ma-challenge kasi.
2 shots for Roy. First shot is good. 1 point.
Go, Daddy.
Second shot, good again. 2 for 2. Santos. Okay, they are dribbling the ball. To Chuck. Chuck, back to Dejan. Dejan. To Chuck. Inside pass to Dejan. Dejan. Oh! Turnaround shot again! Unbelievable! He's gonna move! Dejan, another 2 points. Ano ka ba sa testa? Ano bang ginagawa mo? Chris, Rico. Rico. No more time. That's the end of our first quarter. Score. Representative Brett here. Ken and Prosperous Pan. Chris Murphy. Rebound boy. The boy pass break to Opila. Opila to Dea. Dea drives through. 2 shots. Foul number 28. Thank you, referee. Okay. First foul, Castro. Number 20. Salah. Salah. Oh, 28 Salah. Okay, Chris. Chris again. Oh, pass to Brian. Brian. Wow, nice shot, Brian. To the point. Okay, Gian to Dubs. Opila. To Derek. Derek to Gian. Gian. Pulls up, miss. Rebound. Brian. Brian to Chris. Chris. Ayan, Lorenzo. Raymond Martin. Wala. Miss. Lorenzo. Lorenzo Branch. And si Michael. Miss. Michael intercepted by Lucero. Napakabilis. He's so quick. Foul number 8. First foul, Michael. The boy dribbling the ball. To Derek. To Gian. Gian. What a pass. Good shot. Nice assist. Gian 2 points. Grabe. Alam. Ano? To Raymond. Raymond Bryan. Raymond. Raymond Bryan's list. Allowed rebound by Gian. Hindi na kaya yun. Kung 14 segundo nakakakuha pa. Lorenzo. 2 points. Nice pass by Bryan. Ayan. Opilan to Gian, back to Opilan. Ayun, the boy. To JR. To Gian. Gian. Oh! Number 8. Another foul for Michael. Okay, stop tayo. Pwede ba rin? Okay. Sige. 22 and number 10 out. 14, number 5 in. 2 shots for Gian. First shot, miss. Okay. Last throw. Second shot, miss again. Rebound, Michael. Okay. Lopez. To Lorenzo. Lorenzo to Michael. Michael intercepted by Derek. Derek, shot. Easy basketball. 2 points, shot. Ayun. Naharas si Lopez ni Kapila. Chris. Green ball. Okay. Ayun, Zach. Gian. Number 8. Michael, 3 fouls. Okay. Substitution. Number 12. Out. 13 in. Oh, deflected by Rico. Raymond. Pinasa kay Chris. Chris, balik kay Raymond. Raymond. Ayun. 3 points. Ayan na. Opilan. Opilan. Drives. Rebound. Pass to Raymond. Ay, nabakaw. Nabunod na ito. Raymond. Raymond. Foul. Bakit may ganun ka ba, Fred? Ano ba yun? Pwede lang ikaw.
First game pa na, no?
Number 14. Raymond, first shot is good. Shot 2 fouls. shot. Pasok na naman. Tabla na tayo. Third shot. 3-4-3. Maganda gising ng referee natin ngayon. Nagre-reklamo ng referee, tapos sa amin ng referee nagre-reklamo. Sa amin nagagalit. Okay. Wala naman mga news din ah. Ikaw kung gumawa ka ng istorya, paano ka pwede kang maging ano ah. O sige, start tayo. Talagang parang si Dave Roxel. Talaga to. Ano si Dave Roxel makakulong to eh. Okay, balik tayo sa laro. Chuck, dribbling the ball. Number 14. Ayan. Chuck, pass to Eros. Eros. Pulls out. Wala. Pulls in. Diba laban? Ayun, ako ni Eros. Ayun. Ayun na si Chris. Patay na tayo dyan. Mabilis na. Chris, 2 points. Ayan na, lumuwag na po. Prospero, 20. Clutch, 17. Salud. Boy, Brian. Chris again. Chris. Wow, Chris. Rebound, Red. Red. Ayaw, Kitsa. 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 Eros. Ayos, Red. Pinasa ka rin. Red. Balik kay Derek. Derek. Eros. Eros. Pusa. Wala. Ay, ay, ay. Bala. Chris. Ringo. Ringo. We have a foul. 28. Derek, first foul. Oh, last 30 seconds. First shot, missed. Time is winding down. Okay, second shot is good. Ringo, 1 point. And up. Basket counts, 2 points. Eros. Clutch ball. Okay. Inbound Dian. Kofilan. Jack. Oh. What a shot. Chris. Oh. Kofilan. First foul. Rigor. Rigor. Number 26. Another foul, Kofilan. 2 fouls, Kofilan. Rigor. Half time, wala. Okay, prosperous ball again. Inbound Rigor to Lorenzo. Back to Rigor. Rigor. Oh! Brian. Jack. Adrian pa. Jack for 3. Wala. Rebound Michael. To Lopez. Ay! right, back out right. Green ball tayo. Always ready. Are you ready? Kami pa tatanungin mo, boys, scout kami. Ayan, diyan. Kumpilan. Pass to Eros. On contact. Number 33. Santos. First foul. 33. Okay, two shots for JR. JR, first shot is good. Magaling pa talaga si JR. Labang na. Dart kayo, dart. Second shot, JR, 2-2. Ayan na. Balik na naman ang kalamangan. Ringo. To Lorenzo. Back to Ringo. Fires. This. Rebound. Ringo. Follows up. 2 points. Okay. 24-23. 1 point lead. Dian. Ayun. Oh, nalibang Lorenzo. Fires. 2 points. Wow. Oh. Back. Lorenzo. Ayun. Ringo. Easy shot. 2 points. Ayan. 2 points. Okay. Substitution. Inbound Lorenzo. To Chris. Back to Lorenzo. To Chris. Hello, to Michael. To Chris. To Roy. Underneath. Rebound Dian. Ayun, perfect. Intercepted by Chris. To Ringo. Double 2. Body contact down. Sabi ng referee. JR first foul. Okay, 22 out. 21, get in.
Third.
Michael, first shot missed. Second shot, let's see. Ringo follows up, 2 points. Ayan, nakatakas ka rin si Jack. Good defense. Time out. Clutch. Raymond. Inbound. To Chris. Oh, pinasa. Naawaw. Naawaw ni Eros. Wow, what a shot. Number 13. Chris, number 18. Lopez, first foul. Ayan, back to Eros. To June. Back to Red. What a shot. Number 5. Red 2 points. Raymond for 3. Wala. Raymond for 3. By Dian. Raymond to Chris. To Raymond. Michael. Number 8. For a foul. And warning for penalty as well for on. Alright, line ng foul. Chris, taking concept down. Eros. Jumper. Wala. Rebound. Dina. Nahampas. Hindi sinasadya. Number 7 is involved. Two fouls, number 7.
Kanina ka pa?
Ayun, kikil. Oh. Can you make it? Line ball. Turnover. Ayan, si Chris. Chris. Ang bilis ni Chris. Yun, Raymond. Raymond. Ayun, kay Ringo. Ringo. Ayan po, si Ringo. Ayan, sigurado na ito. Ang ganda ng kasama. Ayan, unbelievable. Labang na naman ulit na. 1 point. Chris. Kinaaras ni Daboy. Chris. Ganap ng papusahan. Ayun. Ayan, Daboy. 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 Oh. 15 seconds. Sige. Ayan, Michael. Turingo. Ako, si Raymond. Last shot daw sila. Ayun. Raymond. Wala. That's the end of third quarter. Ang ganda ng laban. This is... Come on, Grip. Oh, isa pa. Ayan na. Okay, ready? Oh, time. Lorenzo for 3. Nakalibaw na rin. Ayan, Lorenzo. Oh, pinasa kay Chris. Ayun, oh. Chris. Right. Pinasa kay Brian. Wow. Brian, 2 points. Number 17. 32-31. Shot. Chris. Okay. Okay, Lorenzo, Chris, dribbling the ball. 9 minutes. Chris, ayan. To Brian. To Lorenzo. Lorenzo, Chris for 3. Chris, rebound. Rebound by Raymond. Ayan. Raymond. Number 13. Okay, stop tayo. First foul, Eros.
Hindi ko naglaro kagabi ah.
Brian.
Pre, hindi ako nakalaro kagabi. Kumala
Number
kami.
70.
Wala yung nakasiko sa akin ngayon. Hindi naglaro.
Second shot. Miss. Oh, 14 seconds ha. 14 seconds. Chuck, replay the ball. Ayun, o. To JR for play. Ang galing. Chuck. To JR. JR. Pass to Red. Red, back to JR. JR. Oh, sometimes sige, next stage mo lang. Sige, lagi na kayo mga sasab. Dele! Ang push siya, wala, Ryan. Raymond! Ayun, to Chris. Chris! Chris! Number 5! Oh, sige, saan tayo? Oh, 14 fouls ha? 36-32. Correct. Sige, sap. First shot, Ryan, 1 point. Second shot, miss, rebound, Diaz. Ayun, pinasa kay Diaz. Diaz, tipid. Unbelievable. Basket count. Foul number 26. Omilan, 3 fouls. Rigor, bonus shot. Bonus shot. Wala. Sino ka rin? Raymond for 3. Wala. Rebound, Eros. Eros. Pulls up. Wala. Pushing foul. Number 9. Raymond, first foul. Oh, 16 seconds to shoot. Eros. Pass to Jack. Oh, 5 seconds violation. Oh, inbound tayo. Ena. Lorenzo. Ringon. Ringon. Lorenzo. To Chris. Chris. Penetrate now. Pass to Ringon. Ringon. Pulls up. No second motion, please. Relax lang. Number 28. Okay. 1-14. Okay. Sorry. Clutch. Ayun, oh. Eros. Ayun, ako. Ayun. Jack to the ball. Ayun, Dian. To the ball.
Pre, bad sa kami, pre.
Number 17. 17. Ryan Rose. 1 minute, 20 seconds. Settle. Okay. Ayan o. Inbound. Castro. Ayun, Ayan na. Ringgold. Ringgold. 2 points. Ayan o. 1 minute. Number 9. Raymond Kimball. 20. Meron pang foul to give ang green. Okay. Inbound Raymond. 19 seconds. Oh. Ayan o. Ayun, pinasa kay Lopez. Yes.